Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a transformative experience that combines the art of yoga with the science of fat burning. If you're looking to shed some calories, improve your flexibility, and embrace a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Join us for this invigorating 15-minute fat-burning yoga routine, guided by Nutri Basket, where each part is designed to elevate your body and spirit. Let's get started with part 1. Warm up. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest expand. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for a minute, allowing your body to relax and your mind to focus. This gentle warm-up prepares your muscles for the flow ahead and sets a positive intention for your practice. Moving on to part 2, sun salutations. Stand tall at the front of your mat. Inhale as you reach your arms overhead, stretching your entire body. Exhale as you fold forward, bending at the hips. Flow through a series of sun salutations, linking your breath with movement. This dynamic sequence not only warms up your body but also ignites your metabolism, making it an essential part of our routine. Now, let's transition to part 3, warrior poses. Step back into a lunge and rise into warrior I. Feel the strength in your legs and the openness in your heart. Shift into warrior 2, gazing over your front fingertips. These powerful poses build strength and endurance while burning calories, all while connecting you to your inner warrior. In part 4, balance and core, we'll focus on poses that challenge your stability. Try tree pose, grounding yourself through one leg while lifting the other. This pose not only enhances your balance, but also engages your core, which is crucial for effective fat burning. Remember to breathe deeply and find your center. As we approach part 5, cool down, it's time to gently ease your body back into a state of relaxation. Move into child's pose, allowing your body to surrender and your mind to quiet. Take a few moments here to reflect on your practice and the effort you've put in. Finally, we conclude with part 6, meditation. Find a comfortable seated position once again. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Visualize the energy you've cultivated during this routine, and let it fill you with positivity and motivation. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. We hope you feel invigorated and inspired to continue your wellness path. If you enjoyed this routine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Remember, every small step counts towards your goals. Keep shining, and we'll see you in the next video.